Okay, we are live.
We're live.
Yeah. Oh, damn, I forgot the music.
Okay, let's go. I'm trying to find a fucking tornillo for this.
Okay.
Good.
How is it? How's the music compared to the voice?
Hasn't popped up yet.
No.
Right? Here we go.
Mic check. Mic check.
Give me a second. Maybe lower the music just a teeny bit. It's a little too loud.
How about now? How is it? Is it too low?
Perfect.
It's
That
perfect.
shit is perfect.
All right.
That shit is perfect.
All right. Well, let's get this started then. Hold on.
Yes. Camera. Let's check the cameras.
Yeah.
Gucci. Just straight.
There you go. Welcome to the Counter Crypto. We are your hosts. My name's Eric.
My name's Lalo.
And let's get this greedy thing started.
Let me put up the timer real quick.
So we are still greedy. We're at 65, so not a I guess a perfect time to start buying heavily. Just kind of buy consistently, but not in big amounts. And then for the Bitcoin halving, dude, 121 days. We're almost there. We're almost there. Remember when it was like 300?
Yeah.
That's nuts, dude.
It seemed like a long time ago, but it really wasn't. It doesn't feel like it at all.
Let me close these down, and let's do this analysis. So right now, on the daily, we have what's called a bearish divergence. So what this does is when you're going higher on the candles, but on your oscillators you're going down, that's called a bearish divergence. And what usually happens is we either go sideways or we go down. And on the, so if I change, let me see, let me get market cipher.
Is that a candle?
What?
That little green thing in the bottom?
No.
About to say, Jesus.
So on market cipher, we got this red dot right here. So when we get red dots on market cipher, it usually means that we have reached a local top. Like, it's probable that we got a local top. So the prices that I'm predicting, how low can this thing go? From here, it would be, let me go to the daily. For a short-term drop, we could either go to, let's see, we got, okay, so that lines up. Let me get this out the way. So we could see 31,000 because we got good support at this level, and then we got the Fibonacci level, which the drop would be around 31, 32. Would be a good support level for this thing to drop and still be like a healthy drop. and not to panic sell and stuff like that. So another one, other people was predicting 35, 37K, which would be, I guess, here. Yeah, like around here, because we got support here in this area. I don't really like it, and they're saying 36, 37, which I like the 31 better, because we have these supports right here, all of this, plus the Fibonacci, which is around $30,000. So it's all probabilities. We don't know if it is gonna drop that low, but it is dropping right now.
You said so much for the guy saying $9,000 Bitcoin.
Oh, I guess it could technically still happen.
Yeah.
It's, you got a black swan, like another COVID or something.
True.
Right?
Or a presidential election coming up.
So we'll see. Anything's possible, but the probabilities right now is more probable to see a $31,000 Bitcoin. 3130, around there. Oh, I got scared that I wasn't showing the chart last time.
Yeah,
I got me scared.
Keeping an eye on it.
Solana. Oh man, this is a mess. So for Solana, I'm seeing a $30, like around $30, $34, $30 Solana. If Bitcoin drops that low. Yep.
Oh, okay. Okay, now you scared me, man. I'm about to say, bro, you gotta start buying. If it goes back down to 30, buy.
Yeah.
Just buy.
So that's all I got. So just a heads up that it's possible. Don't get scared. It's normal. It's possible to see Bitcoin at that. Oh man, this is a mess. There you go. It is possible. All right. So let's go to Twitter, because we've been skipping that.
We have a good amount of Twitter news. Okay. Oh yeah, we got the Elon Musk. Thing too.
I like that, dude.
That was amazing.
Where did we stop at? Do you remember? Bloomberg says. Did we do this one?
I mean, we can try that one, yeah. We can do that one.
Can you? You read, cause I got my Floyd Mayweather skills.
What do you want me? Justin Bloomberg says, "This is the start of a fresh crypto super cycle that will push Bitcoin above $500,000." Now, I don't know who the heck Bloomberg is. Do you know who it is? Because I have no idea who that is.
No, it has to do with a legacy financial, the financial, on the financial side.
Do you want me to? You can just tell me which one.
I don't know. I haven't read it. I haven't read this article. But yeah, but the fact that these guys are saying. So you know what I've noticed? Usually when you get a lot of hype in like the media or like on Twitter, like everybody's talking about it, the market usually tanks when they start hyping it up.
Okay. Yeah.
Because that's what happened last cycle. People were putting the laser eyes, and I don't know if you noticed that. Like people had the laser eyes, and it was gonna go to 100,000, and the market tanked. And then they had in the 2017 bull run, they had the Vegeta meme, like it's over 9,000.
I don't remember it, but all I remember from last year was just like a lot of crypto took a hit.
Yeah.
To be honest, with a lot of like Ponzi scheme, crypto stuff,
exchanges,
a lot of NFTs getting hacked, and a bunch of projects that weren't real. and then they just got rug pulled, and everybody lost a bunch of money.
Whatever happened to that Jake Paul one?
Well, I think he was like in a lawsuit. Last time I checked, he was in a lawsuit still for fraud. It was kind of like a Ponzi scheme type thing.
Ooh, what is this?
Yeah, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a larger market cap than the following companies. Wow. See, that's crazy. Visa, Tesla, HSBC, Disney, Walmart, McDonald's. I mean, most of these are, worldwide things.
Yeah.
MasterCard, Bank of China, Chase. Things like Tesla and Disney and Walmart. I think those, they're all over the place. So that's crazy.
Hell yeah.
The fact that Bitcoin doesn't look.
Yes, I know. Right now, the main objective for Bitcoin is they want to beat the market cap of gold.
Can you scroll all the way down? I had a video. No, on the messages I sent you. I had. Oh, I tested that guy.
Oh, Gary Gensler.
Yeah.
The lizard.
That's what they call him.
And what the lizard people are?
Oh, like what's his name? The guy from Facebook. I mean, how likely is that? Go to that one, yeah.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, that one, right? Yes. What is it? Michael Saylor thinks Bitcoin will hit 350,000 in 2024.
Next year? That's nuts if it does happen.
Right, but they have source. People say from his lips, God's ears. Okay, no. So unlikely to hit more than 250,000. Bruh.
If it manages to beat the gold market cap, it'll be worth 500,000. If it beats the market cap of gold.
But how likely is that?
We'll find out if countries and institutions start buying. Because once the ETF gets approved, a lot of companies are going to be able to buy Bitcoin.
I think it's this one, Eric. Can you put this video on right here?
This one?
This guy was talking about Bitcoin and how it's...
Question about... The halving, I've heard it called the halvening or the halving, but either one. We're getting to that in April, I think, right? And that's been a bullish thing before. I sort of wonder, is it the same thing, though? Is that already getting priced in, or is there something technical that actually happens that would make it be priced in closer to the event?
So what we've seen historically is that the 12 to 16 months after a halving is the best performance of Bitcoin. So that's what everybody's thinking about. This time might be different because the price of Bitcoin's higher.
It's happening earlier.
It's 900 Bitcoin a day that come out, so that gets cut in half. It's not a lot of Bitcoin, but what it does do is it makes Bitcoin more scarce than gold. So for the first time in history, you have an asset that is more scarce than gold.
In what way more scarce?
Let's call it a stock-to-flow ratio. So the amount of Bitcoin mined every year divided by the amount outstanding, same with gold. And now there'll be, quote-unquote, less Bitcoin than gold mined on a relative basis.
All right. Question about the halving.
That would make sense. Because right now we... let me check CoinGecko right quick. So right now we have mined 19,573,131 million.
No,
19 million coins. So just rounded up. We have mined 19 million. So we still haven't made it to the 21 million coins. So every day we're mining a certain amount of Bitcoins, and the Bitcoin halving is gonna get cut in half. So the amount of coins we're mining is gonna be, I guess, less than what people are mining in gold. Have I understood it right?
Yeah. Man. And the fact that there's only what? How many? 2 million? 1.5 million?
What?
It's like 1.5 million left.
Yeah.
So they have to have it. So then it's gonna be it's gonna be even more scarce.
Yeah.
Makes the value go up even more.
Yeah, and they're not even including the coins that have been lost in the early days.
For real. Oh yeah, this guy. El Salvador President Nayib Bukele says the country's Bitcoin investment is at $3.6 million profit. Man, that guy's doing just really good for his country in general.
Yep. Hell yeah! Imagine once it goes up over 100K, or each coin is worth $1 million.
I mean, they can change their entire. I wouldn't say like make a giant difference for that country, but it's gonna change a good amount of like how they're viewing their economy.
Yeah, it's nuts. What else do we have here?
Pointed out the only true use case for it is criminal.
Oh, this guy.
Oh, Elizabeth Warren.
I've always been deeply opposed to crypto, Bitcoin, etc.
God, I hate
pointed
her.
out the only true use case for it is criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering, tax avoidance, and that is a use case because it is somewhat anonymous, not fully, and because you can move money instantaneously, and because it doesn't go through, as you mentioned, all these systems have been built up over many years. Know your customers, sanctions, OFAC. They can get bypass all of that. If I was the government, I'd close it down.
Okay.
I've always been
trying to close it down.
Crypto.
Yeah, see, that's what I was trying to get to because I had found a video before. Well, if everybody goes to get money from the bank at right now, like if we were to all go, they don't have the money.
They don't.
They don't have the freaking money. And if, like, for example, you go put 100,000 and then you want to take it out the next day, they don't have the money. As soon as you send that money into the bank, they're loaning it. They're loaning it to somebody. It's gone. It's gone. And you try to take it out, you're not gonna. And even if you do decide to take out $100,000, they're gonna be like, "Why are you taking it out? For what?" You go to an airport, you take 100K. 100K is just for the example. $100,000 to the airport, they're gonna be like, "You're a criminal, dude. Why are you carrying $100,000 with you?" They'll take it, and you won't get it back. Same with some dude was saying the same thing with like, if you go to the airport with a bar of gold, they're gonna be like, "Dude, you stole this." They'll take it, and you won't see it ever again. But that's why Bitcoin is so good.
Yeah, they can't confiscate it because they don't know that you have it.
They can't confiscate it. They can't tell you how much you can take out. They can't tell you how much. Why do you need it? It's yours. There's nobody's telling.
Yeah, you're cutting on and off, dude.
Huh?
You're cutting on and off.
Was I cutting on and off?
Yeah, the mic. The mic was cutting on and off.
Oh, my bad. So you can hear what I was saying?
Yeah, I could, but it would cut off sometimes. Like, it cut off like 3 times.
Oh, damn, you should have told me so I could have said something else. But yeah, my point is that just Bitcoin is much safer than a bank.
Bank, yeah.
In a lot of ways. Same
thing with, I guess they're gonna be able to control us with their money, with the CBDCs and stuff like that. Like there was this thing in Canada, the truckers that were protesting, they were doing a friendly protest.
Right. Mm-hmm.
And the banks, like the government, recognized the truckers' faces, and all of their accounts got blocked. So they control their people through their finances. That's kind of what the U.S. was doing with Russia. They cut them off the SWIFT system, so they're controlling people and countries through finances. But now other countries are like, why would I trust the dollar if I could get cut off from it? You know?
Yeah. Well, the thing is with Bitcoin, when you have senators like that and other government figureheads and even bankers telling you, don't buy this. This is bad. This is for criminals. And then they're buying in the background. It's good.
They're shady.
It means that it's doing something good. It means that it's not being controlled. They can't be controlled by the government. And it is shady because they want it all for themselves.
So what's this World War III thing?
Oh, I forgot I even sent that. This guy.
Every inch of NATO territory. Well, we've committed as a NATO member that we defend every inch of NATO territory. Then we'll have something that we don't seek and that we don't have today. American troops fighting Russian troops. American troops fighting Russian troops if he moves into other parts of NATO. Well, we've committed as a NATO member that we defend.
So he wants to start World War III?
No, yeah, dude. Oops. Give me a second. You want me to read that?
Yeah.
What is it? Breaking. Biden realizes the possibility of World War III with American troops fighting Russian troops. To be clear, a war between two nuclear powers is guaranteed to end in well, obviously, end with a nuclear war. Didn't Democrats insist that Trump would start World War III? That is true. That is true. Like back in the day, like when Trump was president, they did say that Trump was going to be the one to start World War III, but he actually met with Kim Jong-un.
Yeah, he calmed things down.
Mm-hmm. He met with Putin. I mean, and it wasn't as bad. Like this country was not in the state it is right now.
Have you seen what the legacy media is portraying Trump? Have you seen that?
Nah.
They're calling him a dictator. They're calling him that he's gonna do tyranny and a whole bunch of like.
Right, sorry. Right. Look, I don't think right. He's not perfect, right? Trump isn't perfect, but he's not dumb either, and he's not making dumb decisions. Like at least he follows it somewhat in like a business aspect of.
Yeah,
of
he runs the country like a business.
Yeah, which is kind of good for America. I think that's the time.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's wrap it up. Let's do the. So what were you saying?
Oh no, it's just nothing. Let's move on.
I'm actually hoping Kennedy gets it, but if not, probably Trump.
Really? Kennedy?
Yeah.
He's a Democrat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's probably like the only sane Democrat. Well, that other dude, Vivek Ramaswamy, I forgot his name. He's pretty good too. Wow.
Your Harry Potter Obama Sonic. You lost you lost $6.
That chart looks bad right there.
Alright, which one you want?
Solana.
Yeah, do Solana.
All Solana this.
Alright. So you're at 3,136.
Mm-hmm.
And I am at 3,773. So I'm up $70 on Bitcoin 2.0. All right, so
what?
Huh?
For real?
What?
You're up $70 on Bitcoin 2.0?
Yeah.
Wow.
So right, so I'm gonna put my 70 on Bitcoin, and I'm gonna sell half of my Bitcoin 2.0 and put it on Bitcoin. So.
Okay, you're cutting your wins right here. You're like, all right, I'm good. I made my winnings.
Get it out of here.
Let's go.
Well, all right, you guys.
Fair enough.
That's it for today.
Have a good rest of your night.
Oh, this way, the camera's right here.